Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are met: phone OS compatibility, Bluetooth turned on, and location allowed for discovery. Once done, charge both devices to a minimum of 30% so pairing won't fail mid-process. Now open the Watch Companion app on your phone and pick Pair New Device. This kicks off the handshake. You need to allow permissions when prompted, because the app uses Bluetooth and location to find the watch. Granting those makes the process fast and reliable. You now follow the on-screen pairing prompts. Compare the numeric code or scan the QR code shown on the watch with your phone. Confirm they match. Then, make sure to grant essential permissions, notifications, contacts, calendar, and background refresh, so features sync properly. If a firmware or companion app update appears, install it immediately, because updates often fix bugs and enable features. Keep the two devices within a few feet during this step to avoid Bluetooth interruptions and ensure a complete secure connection. You finish by customizing key settings. Choose your watch face, set notification filters, pick which apps sync, and confirm health data permissions so tracking behaves as expected. Then test essential functions, place a call, send a text, control music, and verify activity sync to validate everything works. If something fails, try the basic troubleshooting path. Restart watch and phone, forget and repair Bluetooth, then reset network settings only if needed. That sequence resolves most connectivity problems and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.